Hey everybody, I just want to take a moment to welcome us into week 13. So this week we'll be reading and covering the chapter on sexuality and romantic relationships, particularly as it relates to adolescence and the things that they're going through. So this week's a pretty typical week for us. So you have your chapter to read, and you have your discussion board, which again is going to be just through Brightspace this week, and then your quiz. Outside of that, there's not anything new due this week. I'm still working on your grades for your rough drafts and kind of getting you guys some feedback on those. So you should see that kind of appearing over the next couple of days. Your final paper is due on the 19th, which is a Friday. Next should be next Friday. And then you also have, from today, you have another week for the program survey. So the program survey is worth 7.5 points on this second go round. So be looking for that email or updates on that. You should have received the initial email about that already. And if you haven't, or if maybe you think you accidentally deleted that email, please let me know. And I will get with the survey administrator so that you can get those points, because it is just a completion grade. So I don't want you guys to miss out on those 7 points for something like that. So let me know on that. Make sure you're getting that done. Like I said, you still have a week from today to do that. So be working on that. Those are kind of the next two things due. And then once your final papers are due, you're kind of, just a typical weeks up until the final. But if you guys have any questions on the paper, or the quiz or the discussion, let me know. Also, in terms of extra credit or survey, or not survey, but the research requirement of this course, both of those things are due Friday of Dead Week. So keep that in mind as well. If you do have to do research credit for this class, so it's just 1 credit, which is a 1-hour study. So be working on that. Make sure you're getting that done as soon as possible and not waiting till the last minute. So you can accomplish the research credit either through SONA, or you can also do a article summary. All the details again for that are provided in the appendix of the syllabus. There's a link to the SONA system. The SONA administrator's email is also provided there. So those are kind of the two things to be looking for there on that. If you have any questions on the research credit, let me know sooner rather than later, because like I said, if you choose to do the article summary, that is due Friday at 5 p.m. of Dead Week. And if you are wanting to do a SONA research credit through SONA and using the studies that are up on SONA, that system closes at 5 p.m. of Dead Week. So keep that in mind. Don't wait till the last minute to do those. And if you want to do extra credit, you can do the same 2 options as well. You can do an article summary or an extra study through SONA. And you can get up to, I believe, 24 points of extra credit in this course. So keep that in mind as well. If you guys have any questions, as always, let me know. Like I said, I will be working on getting your rough drafts graded and getting the feedback for those posted over the next couple of days. So keep an eye out for those. If you have any questions, if you're starting to work on your final paper and you want some questions answered before that I get that, please email me and let me know. Other than that, I will check back in with you guys later in the week. Have a good week and enjoy the chapter, and good luck on the quiz.